Click on the link below to get price. The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market, thanks to its impressive performance and thoughtful design. This model boasts a peak power of 1000W to 1200W, driven by a brushless motor that delivers a smooth and powerful ride. Acceleration is brisk, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is more than sufficient for daily use or recreational rides. One of the most appealing features of the ACTBEST Core is its robust battery system. Equipped with a 48V20A lithium-ion battery, it offers a range of 40 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and mode. This extended range is a significant advantage for those who wish to take longer trips without the anxiety of running out of power. The bike also supports both pedal assist and full electric modes, allowing users to customize their riding experience according to preference or energy levels. Comfort is another strong point of the ACTBEST Core. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars provide a customizable fit, while the front suspension absorbs shocks from bumps and uneven terrain, enhancing the overall riding experience. The 26-inch wheels ensure stability, making it a reliable choice for various ride conditions, whether on pavement or light trails. Additionally, the bike features a sleek design, with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that strikes a balance between durability and weight. The integrated LED lights improve visibility and safety, adding to the bike's practicality for evening rides. However, the assembly process can be a bit challenging, requiring some mechanical skill to get everything set up correctly. Overall, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike delivers an impressive blend of power, range, and comfort, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to embrace electric cycling. Its robust performance and thoughtful features make it a top contender in the e-bike market.